Hi, I'm Dana, and I'm going to tell you my pop on veneer story. So I have been looking at it, seeing it on TV for a while. When I have two daughters, and when I had my girls, they took the calcium from my teeth. Little vampires, little bloodsuckers. So that happened, and one got this side, one got this side. I got a root canal in this one years ago, and this one ended up getting a hole or something, and I don't even remember. And I finally lost it. It broke. Then on this side, this one broke, and I'm like, oh my god. I had a tooth made at the dentist's office, and it was in place for a couple of years, and that's what finally just went ahead and broke. So I've been looking at the pop-on veneers for a while, and I was scared to do it at first because this one was still there. And I thought, oh, if I do the impressions, it's gonna break the tooth off, and then I gotta walk around without it. But a month ago, this one decided to go ahead and come out. My birthday is actually tomorrow, and I did my impressions a few weeks ago and sent them right on back, and they came today, and oh my god. So missing that, when I got that one down there pulled. That didn't bother me. It was just the two up here that was bothering me, and they don't hurt or anything, but it was just more cosmetic, for me. So they came back in today, and just like they tell you, these things, they click right in. When I tell you, I'm so freaking glad I did this. Oh my god, complete game changer. So I'm gonna show you what it looked like. So I stopped smiling. I like to smile. My nickname was Hollywood. It's tattooed on my back. I like to smile. I'm a smiling person. I take pictures all the time. So it was really big for me not to be able to smile big like I want to, because I was afraid of what it looked like. And I just, it makes you self-conscious. It does. So here's my bottom. I got the natural white because I knew Hollywood white was going to be way too white, and I didn't want it to look weird. So top, look at that, just perfect. Click right in. Cannot tell that is not part of my gums. And voila, I'm back. I can talk, I can smile. I love it. It is completely one of the best things I've done for myself. And they came back today, right in time for my birthday. Not gonna cry. But seriously, it was a complete game changer for me. And my daughters were like, did you whiten your teeth? I was like, no. Yes, you did. See, remember it was something missing? Yeah. Natural looking, cannot tell. I love it. It makes a huge difference for me. And now, my birthday tomorrow, I'm turning 41. I am going to look the bomb. I'm going to take pictures. And it's my daughter's 8th grade graduation. So, cute mommy alert. Very happy, very excited. They are totally worth the money. And the fact that you can get a top and bottom set for under $1,000 makes all the difference in the world. So if you're thinking about it, if you're on the fence about it, don't give it another thought. You need to do this. Jump on it while you can. They have in-house financing, all of that. So all I'm going to say is I'm glad I did it. So glad I did it. Oh my God, I just can't stop smiling. I'm not conceited. I'm just happy to have my smile back. So don't think, act today. You got to jump on it because it is totally 100% worth it. And that is my pop on veneer story. Thank y'all.